Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on cultivation of tea. Dear students, as all of you understand, tea is the main beverage in our country, and actually, it is the best source of our Indian economy. Dear students, today we are going to discuss how to cultivate, what what are what are the geographical conditions of cultivation of tea, about their processing, types of tea. These all are the topic, and some terminology we are going to discuss here also. So let's start this topic. Tea. As all of you understand, it is known that tea discovered by Emperor Shen Nung of China about 2737 BC. And as all of you understand, it is beverage crop. So first in Bharat, the part of Assam, Robert Bruce saw in the forest area of this plant. And after that, they want to plant that plant in our country, different area. But Governor General William Bentinck was the first governor who started cultivation in the large scale. Okay, so it is brief history of tea. Okay, so as all of you understand, this is world best beverage, and when it's come to talking about types of tea, it is actually three types. One is green, another is oolong, and third one is black tea. So basically, in our Bharat, black tea planted. And if you want to know producers across the globe, first and the best producer of the world is our Bharat. Second is China, and third one is Sri Lanka. So actually, green tea and oolong tea. Tea basically find in China, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, and green tea is also China and Sri Lanka and some part of Thailand. That particular part you can say, but actually black tea is mainly found in our Bharat. So there is some procedure of cultivation of and the processing of tea. Suppose green tea we produce, there is a different method. Oolong tea, there is a different method, and black tea. So segregated method you can see. Okay. So now green tea, as all of you understand, the green tea made by steaming the leaf from changing what's which prevent the leaf from changing color. Actually, when there is a process of fermentation, we are going to discuss this topic later. But by the process of fermentation, it is the process of fermentation, and after that we can dry it when crushed in the machine and dry in the oven. So green leaf will be prepared like that. And oolong tea is actually oolong tea is actually partial fermentation. You can prepare oolong tea. So matter of the fact is that it is very important for our examination purpose also. What is the geographical condition of tea? So first and foremost, tropical and subtropical climate is necessary. Temperature should be 10 to 35 degrees Celsius, but the best suitable temperature, if you can say, it is 25 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is 150 centimeter to 250 centimeter, well distributed throughout the year is ideal. When it's come to talking about soil, if we have sandy loamy soil and it is well drained, rich in nitrogen and iron, you can say also, it is good for our tea. Okay. Now, water must be drainable. It is very important. So, tea is grown on hill slope up to high altitude 2000 meter. So, if in your examination there will be a question why tea should be grown in the hilly part or slope part or high altitude zone. So, because stagnant water is not good for tea. One more thing, frost is injurious to the growth of new plant, and not only frost but also scorching sun. So we have to grow our tea in shelter belt area. Okay, we are going to discuss later what is shelter belt. Okay, so now method of propagation. As all of you understand, there is some set of method of propagating tea or preparing tea. Tea plants have small, white and sweet smelling flowers. Each flower produces three seeds that resemble hazelnuts. Hazelnut की तरह ये दिखता है. Okay. So tea is grown by sowing these seeds in nursery where it germinated and grow 9 to 12 months. So in nursery we have to seeds we have to seed in nursery our first tea plant. So as all of you understand, the technology of germination or keeping this tea tree in nursery is called what? It is question in your examination. So it is very important. Okay. So it is called cloning of plant. Okay. Let me define some parts. Okay. Okay. So as all of you understand this thing, you can easily understand this phenomenon also. So first we segregate the plant in nursery. After that we have to clonal planting. So clonal planting is a process in which first nurseries in a nursery plant of tea growing by 20 centimeter height, and after that we can transplanted this plant into another garden or another field. Okay, after that the process will be layout. This is the process of black tea we are going to discuss later, but simply you can say, okay, layout of plantation. That means the shrubs which is grown by 1 meter distance in a row, wants shadow. So we have to grow another plant along with tea plant so that shadow zone will be created. So it is actually shelter belt. Okay. After that, each and every 3 to 5 years, we have what plucking the tea leaves. Okay, tea leaves, and after this plucking, sorry, harvesting, we have plucking. So plucking, in that plucking, two leaves and a bud is important. Final, if you pluck finest uh, leaf of tea, you have what? You have definitely what? You have definitely two leaves and a bud. Okay, so this is actually the process of tea. Now it is in your book also given. Okay, but important factors in this chapter is, and the question will be, first we have what? Methods of propagation. Clonal planting is important, and again important thing is some aspect of geographical requirements. So as you understand, tropical and subtropical area. After that, temperature should be 10 degrees Celsius to 35 degree, but the most suitable temperature will be, that you can say ideal temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. And after that, rainfall in that particular area 150 to 250 centimeter, but a stagnant rain is not required. Okay. After that, soil, definitely loamy soil, and not only loamy soil but also well drained soil. Okay, required, which is rich in nitrogen. So you should remember geographical condition. You should remember processing of tea. Okay, and you should remember types of tea. It is very important. I hope processing of tea is clear. I will send you some of the important questions and some notes regarding this topic. So I hope this thing is clear for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.